One of the challenges left on the boat is to cast the lead ballast peaks. For season 1 I just used the factory cast peaks that didn't fit in very efficiently and added some water containers. For next season I want to have the ballast ready. The winter is about to knock the door and this is the perfect time for doing this. I thought about an easy way of making the mold, and I thought about making the molds underground, and eventually I came to an idea to make the molds out of drywall board leftovers, and I will dig them underground. I will pack it with earth and then put a lid on which has two holes, a vent hole and a pour hole. I plan to use technology for casting that another Estonian guy used for casting his keel on his Fafnir boat, and that's using gas torch that I've already rented, and I have made a rack for a stainless steel pot. One handle of the rack is removable because I have to pack it on the car and I have to go to my friend's house outside of city. So we are about to pack everything on the car and go. I've put 4 molds in the ground and I have compressed some soil around it. Now I try to make the pouring hole and vent hole. The molds had just some hot melt glue dots on the outside to hold it together until backed with soil. So it really is an easy and quick way of making molds. We made a dry run to see how it feels.
Aga sina siis juhid?
Ma juhin.
Kallamist ma arvan küll, jah. Ühe otsa.
One end inside the pot feels like a better idea. It felt like there was not enough of lead at first, but it turned out the lead lifted the lid and some of it flowed out into the ground. The second attempt was a mold without a lid. A failure again. This time one of the sides came loose and all the lead flowed out. The third one was without a lid again, but we added some bricks on top of the mold to keep it in place. the top surface was a bit rough. So 2 next ones we tried with leads on and bricks on top of the leads. As it turned out later, due to soil being much less dense, it will float on top of the melted lead and can easily be removed before recasting. Okay. The top surface was not much different from the one without the lead, so we went to without the lead for the remaining ones.
We've taken one out of the mold. Actually, sides that were against the mold are very flat. Very nice.
So, conclusion. We got the best result with open top molds and bricks on top of them. The top surface was slightly rough, but sides and bottom were perfect. In next video you will see how the ballast is installed.